Right then, passport check, sense of adventure, double check. We're Rena and Paul, and we're absolutely mad about exploring this incredible world of ours. From bustling city streets to hidden countryside gems, we're here to show you the real travel experience, warts and all. Whether you're after budget-friendly tips, cultural deep dives, or just fancy a good laugh at our travel blunders, you've come to the right place. So grab a cuppa, settle in, and join us on our latest adventure. This is TwoBritsTravel, where every journey tells a story. The Mediterranean Jewel. In the heart of the Mediterranean Sea lies an island where time moves a little slower. The sea glows in impossible shades of blue, and ancient traditions still shape everyday life. Welcome to Sardinia, Italy's wild and beautiful island paradise. From the air, Sardinia reveals a landscape that feels almost untouched by time. Long stretches of white sand curve gently along turquoise water, while rugged mountains rise in the island's interior. Small villages sit quietly among olive groves and vineyards, where life continues much as it has for generations. Though it is part of Italy, Sardinia feels like a world of its own. Its culture, language, and traditions are deeply rooted in a history that stretches back thousands of years. Phoenicians, Romans, and ancient island civilizations have all left their mark here, creating a place where past and present blend naturally. For travelers seeking both natural beauty and authentic Mediterranean culture, Sardinia offers an experience that is both peaceful and unforgettable. Sardinia's legendary beaches. Sardinia is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Europe, often compared to those of the Caribbean. Along the island's northeastern coast lies the glamorous region known as the Costa Smeralda. Here, crystal clear water sparkles beneath the Mediterranean sun, and soft white sand stretches along quiet coves. One of the most breathtaking beaches is Spiaggia del Principe. Hidden between rocky headlands, this small crescent of sand opens onto water so clear that boats appear to float in mid-air. Further north, the island of La Maddalena reveals another paradise, Spiaggia Rosa. Known as the Pink Beach, its unique color comes from tiny fragments of coral and shells mixed into the sand. Across the island, visitors can discover quiet coves, dramatic cliffs, and endless horizons where the sea meets the sky. Whether swimming, sailing, or simply watching the waves roll in, Sardinia's coastline offers a pure connection to the Mediterranean. Rugged landscapes and hidden wilderness. Beyond its famous beaches, Sardinia reveals another side, one that is wild, rugged, and deeply natural. The island's interior is shaped by mountains, forests, and rocky plateaus, where ancient shepherd paths wind through untouched landscapes. In the heart of this wilderness lies the dramatic region of Gennargentu National Park. Here, granite peaks rise above valleys covered in oak forests and Mediterranean shrubs. Golden eagles soar above steep cliffs, while wild horses roam across high plains. These mountains offer some of the island's most rewarding adventures. Hiking trails lead through remote villages and quiet landscapes where the sounds of wind, birds, and distant church bells replace the noise of modern cities. In Sardinia, nature still feels powerful and untamed. Ancient Nuragic civilization. Long before the Roman Empire arrived, Sardinia was home to a mysterious and fascinating civilization. More than 3,000 years ago, the island's early inhabitants built thousands of stone towers known as Nuragic. These massive circular structures still stand across the island today, their purpose still partly unknown. The most famous example is Su Nuraxi di Barumini. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this ancient fortress complex reveals the architectural skill and ingenuity of the Nuragic people. Walking through these stone corridors and towers feels like stepping into a distant past. The structures were built without modern tools, yet many remain standing after thousands of years. They remind visitors that Sardinia's story is far older than most travelers realize. Charming coastal towns. Sardinia's coastline is dotted with beautiful towns where colorful buildings overlook peaceful harbors. One of the most charming is Alghero. With its medieval walls and cobbled streets, Alghero still reflects its historic ties to Catalonia. The local dialect even contains traces of the Catalan language. Here, visitors can wander through lively piazzas, browse small artisan shops, and enjoy seaside views from the old stone ramparts. Further south lies Cagliari, the island's vibrant capital. Built across several hills, Cagliari overlooks a wide gulf where flamingos gather in nearby lagoons. Its historic Castello district offers narrow streets, ancient towers, and sweeping views across the Mediterranean. Each town on the island carries its own story, shaped by centuries of maritime trade, cultural exchange, and island life. Sardinian food and Mediterranean flavors. No visit to Sardinia is complete without experiencing its rich culinary traditions. The island's cuisine reflects both the sea and the land. Fresh seafood arrives daily in coastal villages, while inland farms produce cheeses, meats, and wines with deep local character. One of the most famous Sardinian specialties is porcedu, slow-roasted suckling pig seasoned with herbs and cooked over open fire. Another traditional favorite is culurgiones, delicate pasta parcels filled with potato, cheese, and mint. Local cheeses such as Pecorino Sardo are produced from sheep's milk, reflecting the island's long shepherding tradition. Meals in Sardinia are meant to be enjoyed slowly, often shared with family and friends around large tables filled with food, wine, and laughter. This is Mediterranean culture at its most authentic. Island traditions and festivals, Sardinia's culture is proudly preserved through festivals, music, and local traditions. In many villages, traditional costumes are still worn during special celebrations. Processions fill the streets with color as locals carry religious statues, play traditional instruments, and share food with the entire community. One of the island's most spectacular events is the Sant'Eficio Festival, held each year in Cagliari. For several days, hundreds of participants travel in traditional dress, horse-drawn carts, and decorated wagons to honor the island's patron saint. These festivals reveal the strong sense of identity that Sardinians feel toward their island and its heritage. Even in a modern world, these traditions remain deeply valued. The spirit of Sardinia. As evening falls across the Mediterranean, Sardinia becomes even more magical. The sea reflects the warm colors of sunset, fishing boats return quietly to harbor, and village squares fill with the gentle sound of conversation and music. It's in these moments that the island's true spirit becomes clear. Sardinia is not simply a beach destination. It is a place where ancient history, wild landscapes, and living traditions come together in perfect balance. A place where travelers can slow down, breathe in the sea air, and experience a culture that remains proudly authentic. For those who visit, Sardinia offers something rare in today's world, a reminder that beauty, simplicity, and tradition still have a home in the Mediterranean. And once you've seen its turquoise waters, explored its ancient stones, and shared its food and stories, well then that's another adventure in the books. We hope you've enjoyed coming along with us on this journey. Before you dash off to plan your own trip, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out. It honestly makes such a difference to us. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest adventures. We're always off somewhere exciting, it's completely free and it really helps us out. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the world's a lot smaller than you think. Cheerio from TwoBritsTravel.